Keep your shoes clean, without sacrificing your safety, when you use these ingenious, silicone non-slip shoe covers. Made of an extremely durable silicone and engineered with a water-resistant material, these shoe covers effectively protect your beloved shoes from rain, slush, and snow. While the anti-slip sole helps prevent accidental slips and falls. The silicone shoe covers are reusable and can be worn comfortably in all kinds of difficult weather conditions. The ultra-elastic and portable design allows you to easily fold them and carry them in your bag, or even your pockets. You can get the shoe covers through the link in the description. And protect your shoes from getting wet and dirty in rain, slush, and snow days. That is all. Thanks for watching. If you liked this video and this video helped you out in any way, please give the video a like and hit that subscribe button. Hope to see you in the next video.